Welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial. Today, we'll learn how to create a 3D mask effect in Photoshop. I've placed a mobile mock-up in the background, along with an image of a dragon. I'm going to hide the dragon image for now. First, let's create a duplicate of the background layer. Make sure the copied layer is selected. Now select the Magic Wand tool. Click to select the area where you want to apply the mask effect, then hit Add Mask. Now I'm going to unhide the dragon image. Make sure the dragon layer is selected. Go to Select Greater Than Subject. Press Ctrl+C-V to copy and paste. Now your subject is separated on a new layer. For now, let's hide the subject layer. Select the dragon image layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. Now unhide and select the subject layer. Then, using the eraser tool, carefully erase the parts you don't want in the final composition. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.